Funky D, everybody. Welcome back to Funky D's News Time. Ladies and gentlemen, this one, now mind-blowing news. Now mind-blowing breaking news. As it is hot, make I just drop on for now, right now, without killing much time. Alright? So, according to the news, ladies and gentlemen, INEC don't issue Okorocha his certificate of return. What a good news for Mr. Okorocha. You get, but the bad news for the bad belle people when they fight them before, somebody like Oshomole of Edo State. Okorocha, they rejoice right now. Oshomole them, and they cry. You get, people, when we see there be no one make Okorocha come back or go to that Senate house, all of them now, that they cry. But Okorocha and the family, including Uche Nwosu and all that, both Okorocha children, both his wife, in fact, all his family, all of them, then they rejoice right now. You know, say, in Imo State, they don't tell them, say, me they not give Okorocha the certificate of return. Not until when these people, when we see the Federal High Court of Abuja, contest them last time, say, me them issue Okorocha a certificate of return. And as well, say, make INEC pay Okorocha 200,000. And those 6 people, when they fight Okorocha, made them pay 100,000 to Mr. Okorocha for delaying his certificate. Here because INEC themselves now don't open mouth and announce Okorocha as the winner of that senatorial race when they do in Imo State. So as such, Okorocha don't win, he don't win. According to the court, the Federal High Court. You get? So today now, we hear now say Okorocha, say they don't carry in certificate, give Okoro Ocha. Now the news be that. And those people when we see somebody like Oshomole, make una wait for Okorocha's fight because Okorocha must to surely fight back. Now the game be that. Now, and I know say the thing when baffle me be say, I can't say man, these people they can't wait until make them inaugurate the Senate president and all that before they go issue Okorocha his certificate. So that because they know say, supposing somebody like Okorocha enter there, maybe for follow them, drag the power. Not be maybe somebody like Okorocha could have been the Senate president if to say then given the certificate of return on time. But due to or based on their wuru because you know say these people, APC people, the Northern Cabas, they don't talk say Igbo man cannot become president. So maybe now the reason why they waited made them for first inaugurate the Senator Lawan when they inaugurate today before they will give Okorocha his own certificate. Because maybe they don't think fast, see man, if Okorocha enter this game right now, if he becomes Senate president and things will change for the Northerners. Although we know say Okorocha himself they support Northern people. But nobody know whether the man at the end of the day, whether he will change. Because he don't see the thing when Imo State people do to him this time. Say they tell and say they don't want time again. They don't want time in Senate House. They don't want time anywhere. Maybe Okorocha, maybe he don't repent or not. Nobody know. You get. But at the FCC, they don't want Okorocha to become Senate president. That is why NCC, they first of all inaugurated the Fulani man before they can give Okorocha the certificate of return. You get. So the thing when they there, when I try to tell on ladies and gentlemen, he better make it be say Igbo president come than all these Fulani people when they kill us. Because if Igbo president come, I'm not sure see all this kind thing when they happen, go they happen. I mean the killing when the Hausa Kabas that they kill Nigerian people. I mean like this hired killer herdsmen people. I'm not sure see then go still they exist if an Igbo man take over Nigeria as Nigerian president. That's why from PDC, if for better, let's say that one Nigeria come to stand again because as we dey see am right now, there is nothing like one Nigeria. Everywhere don scatter. Everybody dey agitate. Everybody wan leave. Even Funky D wan leave the country as well. You get? So, if for better say Igbo man clench than Hausa Fulani people, they rule us. Because the more Hausa people continue to the rule, the more the Fulani people hold on this power, ladies and gentlemen, the more herdsmen and the Boko Haram that go they kill until the fulfillment of their Islamization. Because Islamization is confirmed. Now, in fact, 90% confirmed. I mean 90% 90% done. You get? Because look, see the way when this man when be Arafai, Governor or Malam Arafai, the governor of Kaduna State now. Because we don't hear now say they don't implement some kind of laws now in Kaduna State regarding the religion, regarding the Christians and the Muslim. How them go they take the preach, waiting they no go do, they no go use microphone to they talk in the street, they no go they, you know, if you dey inside your car, if you play your Christian music, but when you come down, nothing like that, you cannot carry microphone, all those big microphone and be making, and I be say they no go do that thing what they call crusade again. Christian cannot do crusade again now because that is the thing where they don't implement. I say get some things, and the majority of the things of the law concern the Christians, meaning all are a part of the Islamization. Because now it's like they don't want to make Christians they yarn. They don't want to make Christians they preach only inside church. You know if you play Christian music outside, you know if you use microphone sing, you know if you do nothing again. So now the law when RFI they bring come when they talk saying they do better thing for people, when we say the laws when they want to take hold the Boko Haram and the herdsmen and the kidnappers, they don't make that kind of law. You understand? They know they make that kind of law. So all these nonsense laws, now him, these people, what they call themselves, the politicians, the APC, now him, that they bring. All because of the Islamization agenda. I say, RFI, not if we make law, how to stop the Boko Haram and the herdsmen, and the higher killers herdsmen, and the kidnappers, and the banditry. Now laws, when you want to take hold the Christians down. Say if you be Christian, you go register. I mean, if you want to preach, if you are a pastor living in Kaduna State, you go take your license. According to the news, you go take your license. Before you begin practice, before you begin to preach what you preach, you must be licensed. If you not get license, na jail. If you preach outside, na jail. And some amount of money when they say you go follow the jail sentence where they will give the person. So, okay. In other words, if you go take license as a Christian preacher or as a pastor in northern part of the country or in Kaduna, because in Kaduna State they don't implement this law, ladies and gentlemen. So, as a preacher, you go take your license. Now you say, then go find you come your house because that license when you get your address they there, everything about you they there. Now be say the Fulani people, if they want to take your life, it go did them very very easy. Now the thing when Funky D, the reason say now be the reason why these people they want to implement this law. So that or so as to shut everybody when we say you be Christian, they will shut your mouth up. And the people when they do wayo Christianity, when they take they chop people money. Fear no go let them go there again, go collect license. But this license will still stop them because they no feel go there because they know say now what they do. They know see they no be real Christianity. They know waiting they so all of them go run from the law. But the real Christians, then go they fear, ladies and gentlemen, because I know see them they not part of the country. And when you they register your name, everything they your address they, if they want if the Fulani people won't find you, they will just go your house straight to kill you. These are the reason why these people These are the reasons why we dey talk say their Islamization agenda, they don't fulfill them. 90% of it don't fulfill. So that is why we dey pray. If this one Nigeria should remain, make it be an Igbo man, not a Yoruba man, because the Yoruba people, not be Yoruba, everybody from Kidi they talk, ladies and gentlemen. I'm talking about the politicians. The Yoruba politicians, they work hand in hand with the Hausa people, with the Fulani people. You get? So make una see as the game don't play now. The way when they take bring in Okorocha, because I know say Okorocha himself they claim say he go be Nigerian president. Say he must to be. And they must to contest. And Okorocha don't vow before say INEC people they not get right to seize his with confidence. Okorocha they talk with say INEC no fit, Oshomole no reach. They talk many times. Oshomole here, INEC here. But ladies and gentlemen, all this na APC game. All this na APC game. Let's say, for example, if somebody like Adeleke they come today, ladies and gentlemen, case go change. Because Oshomole don't tell us if you dey corrupt or you do bad thing, they camp to APC. Then nobody go probe you. That's how the game be. So the thing when they play be say, Funkidi they think say, hey, money don't really talk in this aspect of Okorocha's issue. Underground, better money don't speak in the issue of, better money don't speak for Mr. Okorocha. Because this one a man when be say they refuse this guy since to give this man his certificate of return. You get? Today, now, we hear say INEC already issue Okorocha the certificate of return. Okorocha, according to the things one I don't tell you before, in day they smile now. Oshomole, they cry. But this is the beginning of Oshomole cry. You get? All those people when we say they against Okorocha, and even this thing what they do today, don't confirm or say, man, they don't want any Igbo presidents. Because supposing Okorocha become, for example, Senate, let's say, Senate president, for example, no say the man go pull a lot of weight, even against the presidency. All these things now the things where they don't want. That is why as you see then do their wuru putting Lawan as a Senate president first before they can issue Okorocha. That is Okorocha now an ordinary floor member. You know say floor member or floor members. They know they too hear their voice. In fact, they know they hear their voice. Even when they bring suggestion, that suggestion when they bring, they know they make sense to the president. Now the one when president talk, now be final. You get? You can talk from here to tomorrow. Now the one when the president when they there, see now go be. So as Okorocha be floor member now, people no go to hear Okorocha's name. And it's a way of another way of oppression. When they oppress Okorocha and Igbo people. Because they don't want to make that they hear Igbo people's name of Igbo people's voice in Senate House. Feel me? Now so the game be. Now so the game be. They don't want to hear Okorocha, but Okorocha now is a senator, ladies and gentlemen. Now the matter when I say make I bring to everybody when they that country where they call Obodo Nigeria today. In case you never hear it now. Okorocha na senator now, confirmed senator. INEC when don't brag with Oshomole. Now Okorocha don't carry his certificate. But we know see money, plenty money, we don't talk for Mr. Okorocha. Now so again they go do this thing where they do. I don't tell you now. Atiku Abubakar go begin rule that country and nothing go stop him. It might be their game, the game when APC they play because of Jobre. I mean Fulani agenda to Fulanize all of our head when the Nigerian one are here. They must to Fulanize all of them. If you don't want to stand up. Now so this man, don't talk this in like 3 times or 4 times now. Buhari, after 3 years, we go begin here say court see, Atiku win, court see, because they don't want to make that power leave Fulani land or leave northern part of the country or leave Fulani Kabas. Then go still see, because Atiku is full-time member of Fulani Kabas. Feel me? So now so one day then go tell on us say Atiku na him win the election, presidential election. After 3 years or 3.5 years when Buhari don't rule, Atiku go just emerge. From there, Atiku go rule another 4 years. No Igbo president. Still, after that 4 years again, he go still contest because that one love power. And he go still win because that time he be sitting president. Anyhow, so time don't reach when we go take stand up. We go to decode all these people, all their plan. Anywhere where they hide, we go to find them, go there. They bring them come out. Until they go leave Nigerian people alone. Ladies and gentlemen, make we stop the matter here, ladies and gentlemen. So you get. So until next time again, Funky D worldwide. Yes, if you know, see you never subscribe to Funky D, begin subscribe right now. No waste time, no key time. You get. If you never share my video, begin share my videos. Just they share my videos, scatter, ladies and gentlemen. And again, if you know, see you never they comment before, try to recommend whether good or bad. In this platform, we know they disable any comment at all. If they day as the day, anybody come go read, all of us go to learn. They go good or bad comment. And don't forget to press that best sign when they do, so that anytime when Funky D upload, you will first get my video. One love, everybody. I'll see you next time. Funky D. Bye.